gardening lesson for today is all about chives. This is the Gardening Homesteading Skills Challenge that I'm making the lesson for. But hopefully anyone can watch this, not just the people in the collaboration. Here goes. I'm getting a bowl full of chives. I should have taken a picture of this before I started cutting them into little pieces. This basket was full, and I weighed them. That was a lot of chives, but you know what? They only weigh 12 ounces. They're light. Anyway, I'm getting them all cut up. And I'll probably just stick those in the freezer. We can use them for whatever we want them for. They sure smell good. I love the smell of chives. It's a nice, sweet, oniony smell. Chives are related to onions and garlic, and they're packed full of dietary fiber, provitamin A, vitamin K, and flavonoids. They can reduce cancer risk, improve heart health, and treat inflammation. Their fiber content may also relieve digestive problems. So what is it? It's a type of herb closely related, like I said earlier, to onions and garlic. And typically it's used as a seasoning in a variety of dishes. What I think of as baked potatoes, or even mashed potatoes. Sometimes chives are included. What are the benefits? Chives may protect the heart, improve bone health and vision, enhance hair and skin health. Who can eat chives? Anyone who isn't allergic to it. How often? Daily, but in moderation. Are there any cautions? Yeah. It can cause an upset stomach or allergic reactions, such as itching, redness, hives, and swelling. So if you're allergic to it, well, don't eat it. Pretty easy, right? But most people aren't allergic. So scientifically, they're named Allium, I'm not sure I can pronounce this, Schoenoprasum, Schoenoprasum. Chives belong to the same family as garlic, shallot, scallions, and Chinese onions. They are perennial plants and predominantly found across several parts of Europe, Asia, and North America, and obviously in my garden. They are a commonly used herb and can be found in most grocery stores. And the plant offers a huge amount of nectar for pollinators. I made a video earlier where I picked some of the blossoms and put them in white vinegar to infuse the vinegar to make a yummy, and I've had some of it on some salad, a yummy salad dressing. Chives can also serve as an attractive garnish for various dishes, including salads and baked potatoes, like I mentioned earlier. They come in two types, onion chives, or common chives, and Chinese chives, also called garlic chives. While onion chives have hollow leaves, garlic chives have flat leaves. My chives, I believe, are the common chives because they do seem to have hollow leaves. Do they have calories and fat? Well, chives can be a healthy alternative to other flavorings because they are low in calories. A quarter cup of chives offers just 4 calories. It does not contain any sodium, and each serving of chives provides only 1/10 of a gram of fat. Chives are extremely rich in flavonoid antioxidants, which contribute to most of the health benefits that they have. They help fight cancer, improve heart health, and can even fight inflammation. They also detoxify the body and boost skin health, and the fiber in them can help ease the digestive process. So, if you want to learn more, go to Google, type chives benefits, and you will find out more information about chives. Here I'm holding up some of the spent chives. The blossoms. They're dried. Hopefully they have seeds in them. I'll find out when they get dry. They're wet right now from being outside in the morning dew. But if they've got seeds in them, I'll save them. So that's what we all learned about chives today. I got those all done. They're sitting over on the counter. I need to put them in a freezer bag and get them in the freezer. And I'll do that in a little while. Well, that was fun, and it didn't take long. I went out into my garden early this morning. I usually don't get up quite as early as I got up this morning, but I got up early for some reason or other. Went out while it was still cold. It's still in the 60s, but it'll get up into the high 80s, low 90s today, like it has for the last several days. So I wanted to get my chives picked while it was cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I enjoyed presenting it. Until my next video, may God's love and blessings surround you. Bye.